Hello everyone, welcome to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online platform. In the previous video, we have discussed about the animation and the motion twin. So today we are continuing same chapter, chapter number 10, working with Animate CC. And today in this video, I will explain shape twin and classic twin. Let's start it. Shape twin. Shape twin is used to transform the shape of an object into another. As the name indicate, it is used to change the shape. So basically this twinning is used to transform the shape of an object into another. Like if we want to we want to transform a rectangle into oval or oval into polygon, whatever. So this twinning is suitable for that. Shape twin does not work if the object is converted into symbol or is grouped. As in the previous video, I have explained that for the motion twin, it is compulsory to convert it into the symbol. Then only you can create the motion twin. But that is the main difference between both tuning, shape twin and motion twin. But for the shape twinning, it will not work if you will create or you can convert an object into symbol. So no need to convert into the symbol. So and the next one is classic twin. Classic twin is similar to motion twin. As the similarity is that both are used for moving an object. But what is the difference? Let's discuss it. So it is an alternative way of creating an animation in Animate. While in motion twin, Animate automatically fills the frames between the specified starting and ending. As in the previous video, I have shown to you when we have taken the motion twin, we have choose the option motion twin, then automatically from the starting to ending, Flash or Animate automatically fills the frame. But in classic twin, we have to manually create all the keyframe. It will not automatically filled by the software. So we have to manually create it and connect all of them so that we can create an animation. So let's start it. How to do it? Firstly, we will open our application, that is Adobe Flash, because we are working on the Flash and Animate both are the same software, both are the same application. As I have already explained in the previous video that the trial version of Animate is only for 7 days, but Flash trial version is for the 30 days. That's why after that trial has been expired, Animates. So now we are working on Flash. So in the previous video, I have explained about the motion twin theoretically as well as practically. So in this video, I will explain practically also both the other twinning, that is shape twin and classic twin. So let's start with the shape twin. As you can see, this is the free trial and only 7 days are left. Just continue it. So choose the option action script 3.0. Okay, so now I am making one shape. Just I am taking from here any shape. For example, I am taking all shape from the property panel. We can change the fill color and stock color also. It's up to you which one you want to take. I'm just draw it. Okay. After that, go to any frame. It is up to you on which frame you want to go. I'm going to, for example, 21 number frame. You can go to any frame, not compulsory or mandatory to go that one only. You can choose any frame, just right click on it, and there are two options: insert keyframe or insert blank keyframe. You can take any, but in insert blank keyframe, then blank will be opened, but it insert keyframe, the same will be open. So I am just choosing here insert blank keyframe. You can choose anyone. So I am making another shape here. For example, I am making the rectangle shape, and I am just changing the color here. Whatever property you want to change, you can change. So I have made one more. Now I'm going to another one frame. Again, I'm doing the same process by right clicking, or you can go to the insert menu also. It's up to you. I have chosen insert blank keyframe. Now I am taking from here polystar. So I don't want to make the polygon. I want to make polystar. In the previous chapter already we have done this thing and I have uploaded the video also. So from the tool setting, I am changing it from the star. Click on OK. Just I am giving the another one fill color, another one stroke color. If you want to change the stroke size, just change the size like that. I am just making it. Okay, so by default there are only one keyframe. I have inserted two more keyframe. Now I am going to the first one. Okay, either you can right click on it, as I have already told you. By the right clicking also you will get the same option, and from the insert menu also you will choose the option. So it is up to you from where you want to choose. So here I want to create the twinning, shape twinning from 1 to 25 frames. So what I will do, I will go to the starting frame 1. So here I have chosen create shape twin. Now if you want to create the shape twinning from 25 to 55 also, so just go to 25. As you can see, one more black color line is showing. So that is the shape twinning. So when you will right click on it, again choose the option shape twin. Now you can see one more is here. So I'm just going to the from the starting. Now just either play it here like that. If you want to test your movie, press Ctrl plus Enter. Now you can see firstly oval to triangle, firstly oval to rectangle, then rectangle to star. It is transforming the shape. So that is called shape twinning. So you can play it here only on the stage, or you can test your movie like that by pressing Ctrl plus Enter. So it is called shape twin. Now come to the third one, that is classic twin. So I am opening the new file in front of you by pressing Ctrl plus N. Okay, as I have already told you about this, that is same as the motion twin, but the little bit difference is there. I'm just making one shape in front of you. For example, I have made this object and I want to move this object. Okay, so firstly I am selecting it and I am converting it into the symbol either by the shortcut key or go to modify. I am giving this name only symbol 1. Okay, earlier what happened in the motion twin, when we will create the go to the insert menu and we will choose the motion twin, then automatically it will fills the frames, but here it is not possible. For that purpose we have to make the keyframe. So what I will do, I'm going to any frame and by right clicking I am just inserting one keyframe. So we will manually create the keyframe, not like that in the motion twin. So now I am just moving my object from where you want to move like that. I have moved my object. So go to any frame, like I'm going here in between, right click on it and click on classic twin. Now you just play it. It will work like that. So what we have done, the changes between motion twin and this one classic twin. Here we have manually created all the keyframes. But in the previous one, in the motion twin, automatically it will be created. So that is the difference between classic and motion twin, nothing else. So in this video, I have explained shape twin and motion twin.